You got me wrapped around your touch. Lose me in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair half wig for you guys. So today's video is brought to you by OQ Hair. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching.
Down to us, oh, feels like I'm tired, cause baby I don't understand why I just keep coming back like your gravity. Ooh, baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. Much I try to run away, I find myself just playing pretend. You make me fall in love. You make me fall in love and that.
Okay, so I actually thought I was getting a kinky straight wig for some reason, but it is a water wave curly half wig. So I am looking forward to trying a kinky straight half wig soon. So maybe I'll come back with another kinky straight wig from OQ Hair. We'll see. So I'm going to try this on. I do like to wash my curly human hair wigs before I wear them, because I feel like you can get your curls exactly how you want them to look once you wash them. This is really pretty. So I'm 6 feet tall, and this is 22 inches, and this is a water wave texture. I don't think I haven't tried water wave with the human hair half wigs yet. It looks very similar to the kinky curly one, and that's where it falls on me. I really like how the curls already look though. They look how I like my curls to look, fluffy and not like too tight. And I can fluff it out. I'm not sure of what density this is, but I think it's very pretty. And we're gonna see what we're gonna do with this. I like to do finger coils, and I just did a video where I show how to do that. So I'm probably going to insert, briefly how I do that. And instead of washing this wig completely, I'm probably just going to do like some spot preparation. Like this is kind of frizzed out a little bit, so I'll probably just put a little bit of mousse on the hair and let it air dry while I do my makeup. So, but I got to prep my hair first. So this is what it looks like. And I do have my comb shifted a little bit off to one side, because I prefer to have like a flip over look with my wigs. But this looks good already. Very full, perfect for summertime. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair. You can use a curl wand to match the curls of the wig like this, but if I don't have to use heat on my hair, I don't want to. So I just washed my hair because I thought I was gonna have to blend it with a kinky straight wig, which I'm gonna keep mentioning that because I do want to try one. Even though it's summertime and kinky straight hair can pack a lot of heat. So this is my natural hair now. I have about 3 inches of hair, so it's it's growing. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair out in the front. The rest of my hair is braided down. And I'm just going to briefly do this. I'm going to skip past like showing the whole process because I've showed this in other videos. So the products that I use. First and foremost, I use the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Kyra Shine put me onto this probably 4 or 5 years ago. I use this on my curly wigs, and I use this on my natural hair as well. So it leaves the hair soft, because some foams I've used before, because I've ran out of this and so I tried something else, it will make the hair crunchy. This leaves your hair soft. And for my natural hair, I want it to be more defined, so I do use my Wetline Extreme Gel as well. So I start by taking a little bit of my hair I put a little bit of the foam on my hand, and then I run it from the root of the hair to the end. And my hair will start to curl, but that's when I get some of the gel, the wet line gel, and I start at the root, and then I work my way down, and then that's when my curls start to pop. And I have type 4 hair, and this just works for me. Ever since I did my big chop last year, I've gotten more used to, you know, what works for my hair type. So I'm going to do that all over the front, and I'll speed up this portion because it's the same thing.
Loving that again. Every word she play like a violin. Who's gonna tell her? I just want you to open your mind. 'Cause you got me mesmerized, and baby, I don't understand why I just keep coming back to insanity. Ooh, baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, I find myself just playing pretend. You make me fall in love. You make me fall in love, and that again. Got that magnetic type of love. You give me just a little more, and everything's all better. Show me your love, babe. It's never enough, yeah. There's nowhere to go. Lose control, don't you know? I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison.
All right, so my natural hair is dry. I have my curls here. You can prep your hair with perm rods if you want to. You can use like a wand curler right here. I have my hair here. It might be a little bit wet in some areas, but I think I can still finesse. So I'm going to have my hair off to one side. Ooh. I'm going to secure the combs. And if you don't want to use combs because you have you want to preserve your edges or whatever, just use bobby pins instead. And I'm just going to adjust my elastic band, or the drawstring that comes with it. I'm going to adjust that. It's nice and fluffy out the gate. So y'all know, if you watch my channel a lot, I'm a big proponent of washing your curly human hair wigs and then going from there, because I think the curls look better. But this looks good already, and I'm not going to wash. I'm just going to wear it as is today. So I can't just leave my leave out like that, because it's like obvious, you know, where it starts. You can't really tell on the sides as much, but definitely up here. So I just take the roots of my hair and just blend it in the roots of the half wig. I'm just using my nail to do that. Just taking my nails and moving it in the same direction as the wig. And you can use some bobby pins to help it along. And I mean the open mouth ones, not the flat ones. Can't find my open mouth ones, but you can also, you could put the wig on first and kind of train your curls to go in that same direction. And I was doing that, but for some reason, certain parts of my hair need a little bit more encouragement to go in a certain direction. So I'm going to use a little bit more gel at the top to make that curl go that direction. I'll take a little bit of that. And I'm gonna make it go this way. And I feel like this looks very summery. So this is what the hair looks like, no makeup on. And I think this looks really good. And this is 22 inches. I'm not sure of the density of this one, but it feels very full. So just play around with how you decide to curl, do your leave out. So I'm gonna put a full, do my makeup, and then take some pictures of what it looks like with, you know, a full face, and then do a few styles. Because I feel like I got another curly wig, but I don't think it was this long. I like this length.
I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear.
Alright guys, so I'm back, and you saw the process of me getting this wig together. I have reviewed quite a bit of human hair curly half wigs in the last few months because they are my favorite. This is 22 inches, and this is the water wave texture from OQ Hair. I haven't worked with this company before, but I've seen them a lot on TikTok, so I'm glad we got to work together. This water wave texture is very pretty, very summery, very vacation-like. It's very full. So I always tell you guys, like, it's better to wash your wigs before you install them. But today I did not do that. I'm wearing it right out the pack. I just fluffed it out, and it is very, very full. So I'm not sure what the density is on this, but feels and looks like it might be like 200% or even 250. It just looks very full, and I'm 6 feet tall, and this is where it falls on me. Yeah, so I don't know about the shedding because, well, I do have some shedding. I have a little bit of shedding, but in the washing process I'll probably get more shedding. And it was easy to install. I just do what I normally do with my curly half wigs. I just do finger coils, and then I diffuse the curls. I diffuse my own hair, and then I blend it in with the root of the half wig, and it blends very well. This is what the wig looks like all down with a flip over. I'm gonna see some other things that I can do with this wig. I usually do all down, and then I do like a half up, half down style, and we'll see what we come up with.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, taste the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space. I'm a fashion dealer, I'm your biggest bidder. Meet me in the middle, I just don't wanna settle. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference? Yeah. And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more is okay. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. 말리부 가서 한 잔에 쭉 마시는 blue lemonade. 술은 필요 없어, 다 끝나기 전에, yeah. Under these lucid dreams, yeah. I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head, yeah.
Alright guys, so I've showed you 3 simple styles. I just did a updo with a headband, okay? Because I only have, my hair is short, so it is hard to do like blending my hair with an updo like this. So I'm relying on the headband. I brought some little pieces down, and I think this is cute. This is a cute, like, I mean, if I was wearing this to the gym, I wouldn't have these pieces out. I would just do the bun. But this is cute, real cute. A messy bun situation. And hopefully next time I'll be bringing you guys a kinky straight half wig, okay? Because we need to switch up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Kevin and vibing from the bit later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space. I'm a fashion dealer, I'm your biggest bidder. Meet me in the middle, I just don't wanna settle. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no